Good afternoon, Namaste. Welcome to this online office yoga session organized by Indian Embassy in Ethiopia. Office yoga is basically meant for those persons who are not finding adequate time in the morning or evening to do regular yoga. So for stretching the joints and loosening the joints and toning up the muscles, there is a package, the sequence of office yoga. So to start with, let us do humming. Sit straight, spine erect, eyes gently closed, facial expression normal, hands in Gyan Mudra. Inhale deeply and start humming 3 times. Gently open the eyes. So be ready for joints loosening and stretching exercise. Stretch your arms forward and bend your fingers from first joint, second joint, make the fist open. Again bend the fingers from first joint, second joint, make the fist open. Now with the right hand, pull the fingers, fingers should be spread and pull the fingers inward. This is very good exercise for those working hours together on computer. And push the hand inward. It is a wrist as well as finger joints exercise. Come back. Now pull the fingers of right hand with your left hand inward. Come back. Now push the hand inward. This is giving a beautiful stretch to your wrist joint. Come back. Now stretch your arms forward and press the 4 fingers down. Pull the palms in, push it down, pull it inward. Now sideways rotation, sideways stretching. Push your palms outwardly, inwardly. Rather you can make the fist and push it outward, inward, out, in, out, in. Now rotate the fist, outward movement, slowly, gradual movement, feeling the impact on your wrist joint. Now inward movement. This way we give the flexibility to the wrist joint. Now combine the elbows together and house the last 2 channels of the wrist of the finger joints, middle finger joints, and stretch your arms forward without opening the wrist, without opening the fists. Feel the impact on your forearm, elbow joint, upper arm, shoulders, and all the fingers. come back. Now make the fist, make the finger joint and place them on the shoulders and combine the elbows. Now we will do rotation of the elbows and giving the impact to the shoulders. Inhaling, raise the elbows up. Exhaling, back and down. Inhaling, forward and up. Exhaling, back and down. Inhaling, forward and up. Exhaling, back and down. Inhaling, forward and up. Exhaling, back and down. Now back, reverse rotation. Inhaling, back and up. Exhaling, forward, down. Inhaling, back and up. Exhaling, forward and down. Inhaling, back and up. Exhaling, forward and down. Inhaling, back and up. Exhaling, forward and down. This is the shoulders movement. One thing important is that the postural alignment has to be correct. If you sit always making a hunch, you are likely to get pain in the spine. So always sit straight. Okay. Now neck movement. Inhaling, raise your chin up. Exhaling, chin down. Inhaling, chin up. Exhaling, chin down. Inhaling, head normal. Now sideways bending, sideways turning of the head. Inhale and exhaling, turn your head towards the right. Exhaling, come back to center. Inhaling and exhaling, bend, turn your head towards the left. Inhaling, come back to center. Exhaling, turn to right. You can inhale, you can maintain the normal breathing. If you want to hold the posture in bend condition, it gives a good twisting impact on the neck. Inhaling, come back to center. Exhaling, twist towards the left. Hold for some moments. Breathe normally. Inhaling, come back to center. Now tilting of the head. Raise your right hand and hold the head and pull your head toward the right. Feel the impact on your neck joint. Come back. Now hold your head with the left hand and pull your head toward the left side. Come back. Now we have to rotate the head. Exhaling, head down and rotate the head clockwise. Gradual movement, slow, steady. Keep the head free, totally relaxed. Now reverse, anti-clockwise. Come back. These are the neck muscles flexibility exercises. Now we will do certain neck muscles strengthening exercises. Make a grip and put it on the forehead. Push your head forward. Come back. Place the grip behind the head. Push your head backward. Come back. Now place your right hand on right side. Push your head toward the right side. Come back. Place your left hand on left side. Push your head toward the left side. Come back. Now make a grip. Put your hands below your jaws and push your jaw upward. It gives a natural yogic traction to your neck vertebrae. Come back. Now place one fist on the neck pit and other fist below the chin and push your chin downward. Come back. These are the neck muscles strengthening and flexibility exercises. A word of caution: those suffering from cervical spondylitis should not bend their head forward while rotating or in bending exercises. They will bend backward, sideways, and half circle backward. And all the neck muscles strengthening exercises are necessary for them. Now, chest opening exercises. These are necessary for enhancing our lungs power, because as now coronavirus is there, so we have to increase our chest, our lungs capacity. We have to improve our respiratory system. So for that, spread your arms sideways and stretch your back backward. Breathe normally. This opens the chest and enhances the lungs power. Slowly come back. Now another exercise. Make the grip and put it behind the neck and stretch our spine backward. Slowly come back. Kindly note that no jerky movement should be allowed, because jerks will harm or injure the spine. So movements have to be very gradual, soft and slow. And now sideways twisting. This is called chair Bharadwajasana. Hold the one back and the right hand rest and twist toward the left. This way. Hold it. Breathe normally. Slowly come back. Now twist toward the right side. Hold the arms rest in the back. Twist toward the right side. Breathe normally. Slowly come back. This twisting exercise gives the complete toning up to the spine in the lumbar region, dorsal region, as well as on the cervical region. Now let us do certain lower legs exercises. Stretch your legs forward and push your forefoot downward. I'll come back this way. Pull it inward. While pulling the forefoot, it gives a massaging and the traction to the pumping to the calf muscles, which is very good for our blood circulation, because our calf muscles are supposed to be the second heart. And push it down. Now come back and bend your forefoot toward the right side, left side. Now rotate the forefoot, your toes clockwise. Anti-clockwise. Come back. Now place the legs one against other and press them. Feel the impact on both the legs, knees, calf muscles and the thigh muscles. Now change the legs please and press against each other. Come back. Now lift your left leg, place it on the right leg and push the left knee downward. Come back. Now lift your right leg and push the right knee downward. Feel the impact on your hip muscles, thigh muscles and knee joint. Come back. Now certain pranayama. Sit straight. Sit ahead of the backrest. Don't take rest. Don't touch your spine back with the backrest. Rather, you can move a bit forward so that the spine is straight and erect. Head straight. Eyes gently closed. Sit in Gyan Mudra. Index finger and thumb together. Start deep breathing. Full yogic breathing. First, inhale deeply in abdomen. This is called abdominal breathing. Followed by raising the chest forward, chest breathing, and followed by clavicular breathing, raising the shoulders up, and while exhaling, contract the shoulders, chest and abdomen inside, and again inhale deeply. Exhale completely. Inhale deeply. Exhale completely. Inhale. Exhale. Make 2-3 more rounds of deep breathing. Come back. Kapalbhati. Forced nostril breathing. Reverse your hands on the knees. Again, ensure your spinal erect posture, head straight, and we start exhaling and exhaling actively, and in between the two strokes, inhale passively with medium pace, medium force. A word of caution: those suffering from hypertension, they should do with a mild force and mild speed. And ensure the root lock, Mool Bandha, as well. Inhale and start Kapalabhati. Come back. Normalize your breath. Anulom Vilom Pranayama. Left hand in Gyar Mudra, right hand in Nasagam Mudra. Block the right nostril. Inhale through left. Exhale through right. Inhale through right. Exhale through left. Again inhale through left. Exhale through right. Inhale through right. Exhale through left. Please continue Anulom Vilom Pranayam. Left to right, right to left. While exhaling through left, please conclude Anulom Vilom Pranayama. Brahmari Pranayama. Take the position, block the eyes with the first two fingers, third finger, ring finger below the nose, little finger below the lips, and cover your ears with the thumbs. Inhale and humming voice 3 times. Inhale. Come back. Sit calmly, straight. Feel complete relaxation to your body, mind. Visualize your body. Visualize your breath. Concentrate on your breath. Now, with the folded hands, pray to the Almighty for our health, happiness, peace and contentment in our life. Thank you. Namaste. This is the brief yoga session for office goers. This stretching and loosening helps in toning up the muscles and joints. So I hope you have enjoyed this session, and again tomorrow we will be there at 1 o'clock afternoon. Please stay safe, be healthy, stay blessed. Thank you. Namaste.